Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a grilled potato kebab with a garlic herb drizzle. This is super easy and makes a wonderful side dish. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and boil your red skin potatoes in a lightly salted water pot. And you don't want these to cook all the way. You just want them a little soft so it doesn't take as long on the grill. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and make your herbs combination. And this is a combination of thyme, parsley, oregano, and rosemary, and basil. And you're going to finely chop garlic and add this to the glass bowl along with your fresh herbs. Now, if you're using fresh herbs, you want about a half a tablespoon of each. If you're using dry, which you can totally do that, you want about a teaspoon of. Once you have all your herbs together, go ahead and finely chop it and add it in that glass bowl with olive oil. This is going to be your drizzle that you're going to want during the last part of grilling and at the end of grilling. That. What's the matter? You upset? Sarah's gone? What's the matter? Where's Sarah? Go get Sarah. Okay, now that we have taken a break while playing with my dog, she loves to come in the kitchen and get everything a little bit crazier, but it's hard to resist her. So we are going to go ahead and take our potatoes and start stringing them on the skewers. And I like doing these because A, keeps everything together grilling, and it's just a fun way to present a great side dish. So I'm getting it on the platter and I'm drizzling a little bit of olive oil on it before I place it on the grill. And this grill, your grill you're going to want preheated at this point, so to about 400 to 425 degrees. And I'm going to put this on the top rack so it can start steaming. I don't want to overcook it. I want to cook them the rest of the way. And then I also want that grilled taste to it as well. I am brushing the olive oil all over the potatoes just because I don't want to miss anything. And then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to all of those herbs and give that a good mix and brush onto the potatoes. And this is going to be the beginning steps of grilling. Now we're going to do this throughout the grilling process, and then we're going to also drizzle it at the end as well. So here I am adding all of the potatoes onto the grill, and you can see some of the herbs are on there. And I'm going to grill either side, flip them about halfway through, brush a little bit, then flip again, brush a little bit until they are cooked all the way through. And then when they're cooked all the way through, I'm going to pull them off the grill and drizzle a little bit of that olive oil and herb mixture and serve it with any type of protein, a nice garden salad, whatever your heart desires. I am adding a dash of salt and pepper to it, and it gives it a little bit more flavor. I love a very flavorful side, so this just really completes the meal. You can serve it, like I said, with protein and a nice garden salad. And I hope you make this recipe, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you do make this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you love recipe videos, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. I appreciate you all so much. Remember to follow me on all my socials because I also post on there my day-to-day. And thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thank you.